Hello everyone, today I will present you my master project, which I started in May 2021. So my project is on intra-annual tree growth and water stress response to environmental variability. So as we all know, boreal forest is under stress while we experience global environmental changes. So high temporal resolution measurement from automatic sensors may provide crucial information on the tree growth responses of boreal trees to environmental stressors. So the objective of my project is to study how weather and site conditions influence tree growth and water status of boreal tree species. So the species that we consider in my project are black spruce, jack pine, and quaking aspen. So we have two main questions that we want to answer for this project. And the first one is, how does environmental variability affect tree water status of the tree species during the growing season? So we'll be studying the tree growth during last summer, so 2021, and the next summer, 2022. And also the second question is growth response of jack pine and black spruce are different between clay and sandy sites? So as you can see on the map, my experimental sites are located in the western region of Quebec. So we have two sites on sand and two sites on clay. On sand we have black spruce and jack pine, and on clay sites we also have quaking aspen. So we use 5 dendrometers per species on each site. So just a little bit about methodology. So we use high resolution monitoring of tree growth. So we use, as I said, dendrometers on a total of 50 trees to collect intra-annual data. And the data will be processed eventually, and we'll get information on physiological, physiological information, and that will help us to determine the tree growth and water status response to the meteorological and soil variability. So this summer, we also installed a weather station at each site to provide data on temperature, soil and air humidity, and also precipitations. And to consider the impact of competition in our future analysis, we will calculate competition indices to examine the role of forest composition on tree growth and water use. So we'll use cartography of trees and also tree ring width. So I don't have results yet, but I can show you what kind of data we can have from dendrometer and meteorological data. So at a high resolution, temporal resolution. So here you can see the daily cycle. The first graph is the daily cycle of rate variation for one tree, and the second one is the temperature at daily scale. So from this picture, we can see two things. The first one is the diurnal cycle linked to the transpiration of the tree, and the second one, the second thing that you can see is the irreversible stem variation due to tree growth. So during the growing season. So our contribution is that our result will offer a new insight on the interplay of local environmental conditions and short-term disturbances, and also and short-term disturbances on tree growth and water use, with the pronounced implication for assessing forest growth and resilience to climate change. Thank you.